Okay, today what we will do, we will try to understand about the complete details about our course structure, the fee, other details, so that everybody will have a clarity on it. Now, one point, so the course what we're going to do is SAP S/4HANA FICO. In this SAP S/4HANA FICO, you will be understanding ECC. You will also be understanding S/4HANA on-premise, private cloud. You will also be understanding public cloud, meaning all these things you will be having sufficient understanding, knowledge on, so that tomorrow when you go to the market, you will be in a position to easily work on any of these platforms. Whether you get a project on ECC, S4 HANA, public cloud, private cloud, on premise, in any of the situation, in any of the projects, you will be able to work once you complete the training when you get a job. Next one, course duration will be, it takes overall 5 months. Overall, this will take 5 months. So this 5 month will be broken down into two parts. 1 month accounting and FICO basics. 4 months full FICO project based training. This is how your 4 months are split. Out of a 4 month, first 1 month will be accounting and FICO basic. And then once the first month is completed, we will be working on complete FICO practice based on a real-time project. So once the first 1 month is completed, you will be logging into the system like a FICO consultant, meaning first time when you log into SAP, you will be logging in like a FICO consultant with full confidence. You know what you are going to do. Everything you will have complete end-to-end clarity within the first 1 month. And then course fee will be 20,000 INR. Okay, the course fee will be 20,000 INR. It's a fixed amount, no negotiations here. Reason, our charges are already less if you compare to market. I charge very less amount, very nominal amount if you compare to what you learn from me. So there is no negotiation here. Please do not ask for negotiations here. Next one, server. This is a paid access. I will confirm the charges on the server once we join the sessions. So it is not free server, it is a paid server. You'll have to pay and then get the server if you want from me. Otherwise, you can take server anywhere. There are so many places to get server. You can get server on your own also, or if you want from me, you'll have to pay for me. The server cost will be very nominal amount, which I will be telling you once you join the sessions. And you will get guidance until you get the job in FICO. Don't think that we will be completing a course in 5 months. After that, what if I don't get job? For sure, within 4 months or 5 months, nobody will get job. Okay, this is for sure. But you will be getting my guidance until you get a job, no matter whether it takes 6 months or it takes 1 year. I will be with you to support you. I'll give you different options. I'll give you different ways, approaches to get a job. Meaning, I will be allowing you to attend another batch, or I'll allow you to attend interview sessions. There are different sessions which will go on. I will allow you to attend the different sessions until you get the job. So you don't need to worry that My course is over, I didn't understand, these worries are not required, as you will be having complete support from me until you become a consultant. You can learn with peace of your mind. Next one, course we've covered, duration we've covered, fees we've covered, server we've covered, guidance we've covered, and then let's say what is not covered here. There are certain things which I don't cover. Okay, no proxy. I'll not be giving you any support, any assistance, nothing related to proxy related, and backdoor plus on job support. These three things I will not give. I don't do these kind of a thing. Strictly, you need to make sure you are gaining knowledge to handle these things on your own. Okay, everybody is aware of a proxy. Anybody is aware what is proxy?
Someone else will attend the interviews instead of us. Lip sync,
Yeah,
voice support, and all.
correct. So if you are giving interviews and you feel that you are unable to clear the interview in the market, there are different services wherein people say that okay, I will arrange proxy for you. They say that they will be charging nice amount, 1 month salary, different big amounts they will charge, and there are people who go for it. It's up to them. But here, if you join with me, there is nothing related to proxy. Similarly, backdoor. Backdoor is nothing but you will pay money to get a job, meaning half of your CTC you will pay. If you are getting 8 lakhs per annum, you'll have to pay 4 lakhs. All full cash payment, no proof, nothing. Tomorrow, if you lose your job and all, no proof that you paid money, so your money is gone. Those backdoor will not be there. On job support means there are people who will take support from others after getting job, right, by paying amount every month. Anybody heard this? Job support will also be not there. I will be assisting you for free of cost when you get any issues or if you need any clarification on any of your requirements, project related queries. I will suggest, I will assist, but not a paid service, it's a free service. In short, those who are expecting that, okay, I wanted to get into proxy, I wanted to get into backdoor, I want on job support, I'm not providing any of these services. If anybody is expecting this, you can simply drop out from me because you will not get any support. We don't even talk to discuss about any of these things once we start the classes. All these things will be required for somebody when they do not have the subject knowledge, when they are not confident on the subject. Am I right? Someone requires proxy, backdoor, or on job support only if they do not have the subject knowledge, only if they are not confident on the subject. Correct or not?
True, sir.
Right. So here when you learn, you don't need that situation. You will never come across that scenario. Reason, you will be good at, you will be strong enough to handle everything independently. There is no doubt about it. From the subject point of view, you don't need to worry about, because until you gain clarity, until you get that confidence to work, not just to clear interview, to work that yes, I can now join an organization, work as a FICO consultant individually, independently. Till you get that knowledge, till you get that confidence, you will be with me. Not that I will tell after 4 month course is over. The course is for 5 months. You will continuing maybe for 8 months, maybe for 1 year, until you get the job. Every topic you will be attending minimum 3 to 4 times. So when you're listening every topic for 3 to 4 times, for sure you will understand. Correct or not? Agree? Not that I will tell this topic is done. I'll show the config. This topic is completed. You refer the recording. I will give a material, follow this material, do the screenshot, do the config will never happen with us. It is completely practical. It is completely real time. First, you will be understanding the business process, business impact, business requirement. According to the process, according to the requirement scenario, we will be setting up or configuring the system. I will configure some scenarios. I will explain some scenarios and then I will make you practice some scenarios. It's not that whatever I show in the class, same thing you will practice is not our approach. Our approach is that I will make you practice scenarios which I don't explain in the class. That is when you are actually practicing, right? That is where you will get to know whether you are doing good or not. I will get you the concept. I'll make you clear about the concept and all. Then I will give you the requirement like your client, like your user. Then I'll also tell you, this is my process, this is my requirement, this is what I'm expecting. Then I'll explain what config to be done and how you need to do, what and all you'll have to revise for executing this. Accordingly, I will tell you'll have to practice it. And when you everybody practice all this kind of thing, you will easily understand, okay, this is how we get the requirement in the project, and this is how we will be executing these requirements in the project. Same experience like you're working in a project, you will get it here, especially on the assignments that you're going to work. Every assignment is exactly similar to business process requirement in an implementation project plus in the support projects. No casual practice you will do here. It's all complete real-time project-based practice. You're understanding whatever you do, it's completely project-based. Tomorrow, when you go to the market, your target should be from day one, you're ready to work as an individual contributor. Meaning, if you're joining a project, right from day one, you should not be scared, you should not be fear or afraid to work. You should be confident enough to understand what would be the requirement, what you need to do, how you need to work without any fear. That level clarity, that level confidence is what you have to gain. Whether it is my effort or it is your effort to achieve this one. Right? And here you will also be getting mock interviews. When I say mock interviews, it will be for free of cost, no additional charge to it. Those who are interested after completing the course, before attending your interviews, if you wanted to take a mock interview, I will take your mock interview. I will share the recording of the mock interview so that you can refer the interview recording to see how you are talking, whether you are looking confident or not, whether you need to improve something or not, what you prepared for the interview and what you talked in the interview. Are the questions expected or unexpected? For the expected questions, how you were answering? For unexpected questions, how you were answering? Where you need to improve? All this kind of thing you will be easily getting to know when you give a mock interview. This is again free of cost. In short, other than 20,000, there is no additional charges of mine. Only the server that you will be paying for, that whether you take from me or you take from outside, it's up to you. Because it's not a free server, it's a paid server. If you want from me, you'll have to pay. Very basic nominal amount, lesser than what you get in the outside market. Right? So course fees 20,000, no negotiation, and there is no charges beyond this until you get the job. Whether it takes 1 year, I will be training you for 1 year only with this same amount called 20,000. But you will be attending only one batch. Once your batch is completed, I will give you different options. But nothing paid options, everything is free option only. I will be allowing you to attend interview sessions, or I will allow you to attend another ongoing batch at that moment so that your learning will not be stopped and then you will have the continuous learning until you get the job. We are all aware
Sir, I
if I
have
say, once the
sir,
course is over, if I tell the training is over, you refer the recording and all, nothing will happen. So when we know that this is what is going to happen, we shouldn't do it. I'll give time for your questions, then I'll answer all of your questions. Okay. Okay, this is basically about the course duration, other fundamental point. And apart from this, you have any other queries, you can raise your hand. I'll call out your name. Ravi?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Yes, go ahead.
Yeah. If I mean during the course and while practicing in SAP, sorry, in the system. So if you
Hmm.
have any questions, how can we contact to
Here,
have?
yeah, here I have mentioned course duration, how long?
It's a
5 months,
4 months.
right? Course
Yeah,
duration
total
is
5 months. Five
5 months.
months.
First 1 month is accounting basics plus FICO basics, right?
Yes.
In the first 1 month, nobody will log into SAP. None of you will have the server access. You will strictly not even get into SAP in the first 1 month. But you will see complete document posting, trial balance, all these kind of things in the first 1 month, minimum 3 times. How many times?
3 times.
3 times you will see when I practice, when I explain everything to you in the first 1 month,
Okay.
including all the basics. What is debit, what is credit, all this kind of thing, what kind of reports are used in a project, what we will do as a FICO consultant on all the topics: GL, AP, AR, integration, tax, cash, bank, BRS, payment. Everything you will understand in the first 1 month with minimum 3 times SAP FICO config in the first 1 month in ECC, in S4 HANA system. Here, what will happen? You will be completely getting a clear conceptual understanding on the subject. Plus, you are also seeing practically 3 times, right?
Yeah.
Every
Yes.
here, what will happen? You will be completely familiar, comfortable with the SAP screen, concept, scenario, different terminology, and all. And after that, we will be starting our regular classes, meaning your 4 month course duration will begin in the second month. Here, are you fresher or are you already aware of SAP FICO?
No, actually, I'm working in
No, no,
SAP.
no. Here. After completing
Um,
1 month, when you come to the second month, you're like a
okay.
fresher now, or you're already familiar with SAP.
Familiar because
You're
already
already
3.
familiar,
Yes.
right? So with this familiarity, you will be logging into the system for the first time like a consultant. If you look at SAP FICO in a project as a FICO consultant, the way you work, the way you look at the screen system practice, everything is exactly the same. All right.
Oh, shit.
And then if I show you different things, like if I show you something from the ongoing batch, this is batch number 10 sheet, which we're doing currently. I'll show you something here. Yeah. So here we are on what? Session number 31.
31. Yes.
So session number 31 meaning what is this? After completing 30 days, 1 month. 1 month means
Yes.
30 sessions, right? So I don't count calendar, I count days of sessions. 1 month meaning I mean 30 sessions. No discounts
Okay.
in this. That 1 month meaning 30 sessions. Once 30 sessions are completed, here they would have understood all the configuration, everything. You see, in which phase what you will do, what is the base, how the setup is done, what is the length, how you will design, everything you'll understand in the first 1 month.
No.
Okay, this is the production process, this is your purchasing, sale, stock, all this kind of thing. Here, when we reach the first 1 month, it will be like your first, you will have the targets. Target number one, you will be focusing on system configuration for with how many company codes? You will be focusing with 3 company codes, meaning 3 times practice you will do for your from your side. These 3 company codes, how to practice, I will tell you. Not that you do the way you want, not like that. I will tell you what you need to practice, how you need to practice, what you need to know, what you should not know. Once this is done, you will be practicing You will be practicing the fourth company code with my requirement. 3 company codes is what you will do for your practice. Fourth company code you will do with my assignment. I will give a requirement, I will write a requirement. Based on this, you will be configuring a new company code. Meaning, before you configure your actual company code, you would have seen 3 company codes in our sessions. 3 company codes you would have practiced from your end.
Yes.
First company code, you need to make sure you will do all the configuration, make the posting, look at the trial balance. That is the one company code target. When you're talking about one company code, set up a company code, do all the necessary setting, post a document, look at the trial balance. In this process, there should not be any error. You should not refer anything. It's not like looking at something, doing the config. This is not your practice. This is your assignment to get clarity. If you get any error, if you forget something, no problem. You can solve the error. You can solve it. First is excluded, exempted. Then you will set up second company code. In the second company code, you are not supposed to get any error. Assuming in second company code you are getting some error, no problem, solve the error, complete the task, look at the trial balance, then go to the third company code. Third company code, strictly there should be no error. In the third company code, if you are getting error, you will mark third company code as red. You will complete the third company code, but officially your third company code practice is not yet completed. It will be complete only when you look at the trial balance without getting even a single error. You got my point?
Yeah.
That's where you will not put anything, you will mark it red. All this done by from your side only. I will not monitor it. I'll tell how you need to do it. For sure, you cannot cheat yourself in your practice, right? Will you?
Yeah.
Right? You'll not manipulate, you'll not, it's okay, like you don't do it, right? Because you know that this is something with which you will build your career, right?
Yes.
So the third one, if you are still getting error, you will create 3001. Meaning this is still counted as third one only. Still 3001 error, 3002, 3, 4, whether it takes 3, whether it takes 10, 20, 30, 100, you keep doing it. I will be supporting until you get this clarity. Once this is done, then I will give a company code with a requirement. When I give a company code with a requirement, that is where you start understanding what you are doing, why you are doing, what is the requirement, what errors are coming, why the error is coming, what is the solution for each error. You will have complete clarity on every point. Now, at this stage, for every batch, we will be having a group. In the group, if somebody is facing an error, doubt, confusion, and all, they will be posting it in the group. You can respond to that. If somebody is getting an error, you already completed your practice, you can respond to that error in the group. Go here, try this, try that, give me that screenshot, give me the other screenshot. It will give you a practice of SAP support project. If you're in a support, you'll have to guide the user, understand their problem, doubt, and then clarify. Same thing, you will be practically getting experience here. All these system related practice doubts and all, you will be solving yourself. If you are unable to solve, then in the session, I will open the respective server, your company code. In the class, I'll show what is it, or I'll tell where you need to go, what you need to check, depending on the error. Sometimes I will open and then do it. Sometimes I will tell you need to go here, you need to go there, or you need to check this setting, check that setting. So that based on that, you should be in a position to go verify what is to be checked, right? Not that you are
Yes.
getting error, I will solve it. And then I'm not teaching you anything, right? Today you are getting problem, I am solving, you feel happy. Tomorrow your user will get the error, you have to solve it, right?
Yes.
So that way you will get the practice. Something like that, they'll do it. How they log into the system, how you will get the user ID, everything we will write before you officially log into the system. We will write, understand everything the way it works in a project. If you join a company, how you will log into the system, how you will get your user IDs, what will be the format of your user ID, where you will log in. If it is a GUI, what will you do? If it is Fury, how will you log in? Right? And then what will be the transport request? Whenever you do any config, you will be working on TR. What is a TR? What kind of a TRs are there? What is the system landscape? Everything we will discuss. How do you move TR? Including screenshot, everything you will be seeing, so that before you log into the system, you will have complete clarity on every point. Only after this, I will give you server. Only after this, I will allow you to practice. I will allow you to log into the system. Otherwise, you will not. From development to development, development to quality production, who will do it, how it will be done, every point you will do it. And then we will have quick recap on everything. In a single session, we will revise everything, whatever we did in last 1 month. That you must know to start your practice. And then you will be starting your practice. You will be getting the Fury links. And then you will be doing the configuration wherein we will write. Then here, I will create one company code again. This is the fourth or fifth company code that I'll do. This will be either fourth or fifth company code that I'll do in your sessions. Here I will do whatever I do, the same day everybody will complete the practice. After that, we will do some more setting. By understanding everything, we will do it. Same day you will complete your practice, and then we will do it. You will post the document, look at the reports. Once this is done, everybody is comfortable, confident on GL. Meaning, even if I ask you in the sleep, you will tell the whole configuration. If somebody is getting error, you will be in a position to solve that error. You will understand why the error is coming. You will be able to tell what company you created, why you created that, why you took that, why you took 4 digit like this. Every point you will explain. Because you are not just doing the system practice like data entry, you are understanding every point, accordingly working on the system. At that level, with that clarity, you will set up the system, you will practice. Tomorrow, when you go talk to anyone, nobody will believe if you say that you are a trained candidate. Because you will no longer talk like a trained candidate, you will talk, work, behave like a working SAP FICO professional. We got my point, right? At that level,
Yes.
with that clarity, you will understand every point. And until you get that, it's my responsibility. You're here to get the knowledge in such a way that tomorrow you build a career. Knowledge, whatever is required, skill set, whatever is required to build a career in SAP FICO, to work in SAP FICO confidently without any fear, independently. That content is what I deliver to you. That clarity, that confidence is what I transfer to you. Wherein you don't get any configuration material from me, you don't get any configuration screenshots, nothing you will get. Because here we are focusing on understanding the concept, understanding the requirement based on which you will be able to work independently. There's a huge difference between these two. If I give you the configuration document, I don't need to put much effort, right? I can simply tell, okay, refer the document, do the config,
Yes.
correct or not?
Yeah, exactly.
We look at any of the session. Let's say this is the batch number 9, where we are currently talking about CO related or costing related things. Right? Now you will have everything. If we're talking about, let's say, production related, you need to know make to stock, you need to know make to order. Now I'll make you understand things in such a way that you connect it to the dot, you connect it to the point. Right? And you will be requiring different material to manufacture a finished product, which we call it as BOM. And if you go top, how you will do it, what and all you'll have to practice to understand a certain thing. Your existing knowledge will help, right? So for those things, I'll tell what you need to execute from your side. We already completed asset accounting, so I told these scenarios to be executed. Everybody will do it. Did you understand anything by looking at it?
I think so.
No.
Right. Later on, you will be able to understand. If I write only this 3-4 words, you will understand what is this. And to do it, you'll have to put maybe half an hour to 1 hour effort for every line, which I don't tell. I will not talk. I'll only put this. I'll tell what is this. Everybody will be able to do it on their own. Everybody will do it. And everybody will understand, because that level clarity you will get on the subject. If you are learning from me, you should understand what I'm talking, right? Correct or not?
Yes, correct.
If I'm teaching you, I should teach you, train you in such a way that whatever I talk, whatever I explain to you, like a user, like a business, like a client, I want you to work on it, not like a trainer. If I'm talking to you like a trainer, I will tell, okay, do this setting, do that setting, right or wrong?
Right.
I don't talk to you like a trainer. I will talk to you like a user. I will talk to you like a client, business, your project manager, your lead, your senior, your colleague. Sometimes I will talk to you like a fresher who doesn't even know SAP. But I will never talk to you like a trainer that I know this. Now you try, see if you can do it. No challenges are here. We're not playing a game here, right? To prove my knowledge, to prove your knowledge. We are
No.
here to share the knowledge. I'll tell you different things. I'll show you different ways how you need to work. Because now, when you're with me, I'll tell you everything. But tomorrow, I won't be with you every time, right?
Yeah.
Most of you would have noticed it is very difficult to catch me. Correct or not?
Yes.
Once the sessions are over, because I'm also working professional. I work as a solution architect. I'm also working professional, but I also take sessions. I take 3 classes a day, 3 batches a day.
Oh.
Now, looking at my schedule, looking at my office hours, looking at my family time and all, I literally do not
CD.
get a time to respond and all. I don't have anybody who assists me. It will be me who will respond to your message. It will be me who will pick your call. It will be me who will create the meeting link. It will be me who will upload the recording. It will be me who do everything. There is nobody who will assist me. There is no assistance for me. Whatever is happening, it's all I am doing all alone. So that's why it will be difficult to get me on text on call because now I'm in session. Is it possible for me to reply to any message or reply to any
No.
call?
No, it's
Not
not
possible.
possible.
Right after this, I do have kids. I'll take them to school. I'll drop them school. I'll bring them back. Right. And then I'll log into my office work. I do have different other things.
Got
So
it,
it's
sir.
literally
Understood.
not possible. So whatever is there, I'll make sure you will be in a position to work independently because tomorrow I don't want you to have dependence on anything. I want you to be self-sufficient to handle yourself. Right. So if you
Yes.
look at this, different examples here. Here we were talking about, let's say, we were talking about controlling. First thing you'll have to understand valuations. What are these different valuations? Okay, what are the material movement which are similar to debit credit in your accounting? And simple one liners which we will put through which you will be able to understand what is what. And similarly, if you look at, you will get different things. Like you will be getting to know all this. We started it talking when we came to a topic called integration. This is the first time we were talking about integration. During integration, we talked about this. Then from here, we went into production costing, manuf- manufacturing a process. So that the way you understand, it's not just training content, right?
No.
But there's not just training content. This is exactly the way things will happen in a project. If you are aware of these points, when you go to any project, you will not get any issues. Anywhere you find any screenshots,
No.
this is about your foreign currency valuation, right? So when we were talking about foreign currency valuation, it's all about exchange rate differences. You will get realized, you will get unrealized. One for actual payment, one for assumed payment. And what are the examples? Right? And before we execute foreign currency valuation in the class, what you need to do from your end? This is the assignment. This is the assignment. Right? This is what I want everybody to do. If I'm going to talk about foreign currency valuation tomorrow, I want you to do this today so that you will connect what we're talking, right? Otherwise, you will not even connect. Agree or not?
Yeah, agree.
right? I'll tell you what you'll have to do. It's not that you refer nothing. I will tell you what you'll have to do, because with that you will be able to connect. It's all like chain system. We will go, everything is interconnected, interlinked. When you move forward, you will move with confidence. There is no way you forget something, nothing doing. I'll make you practice in such a way that day one whatever you did, I'll make you revise it on day 150 also,
Mhm.
right? It's not that it's already done, right? You refer the recording. I will never tell you to refer recording. Instead, I will tell you to attend my live session. Don't refer the recording. If you refer the recording, you're doing the same thing, right? Which you already did.
Yes,
Still, you're not able to understand meaning. You need something more, right? Correct or not?
correct.
So
Definitely.
I'll ask you to attend another session. Every topic in every session, in every batch, I will talk in a different way. Topic will be the same, config will be the same, SAP will be the same, but I will also be same. But I will talk in a different way. I will explain in a different way. I will make you understand with a different examples, so that you hear a topic from me 100 times, you will see 100 varieties. Not that I'm not a singer to sing same song, same lyrics every time, right? Am I singing a song? No, right?
Mhm.
I'm teaching
No.
you, right? If I'm
Yes.
singing a song, it will be the same song, same lyrics. I will sing same time wherever I sing. Maybe location change, dayas changes, or the audience change, but the song, the singer will remain the same,
Yes.
right? It won't be that.
Yes.
I'm teaching you something, right? Depending on your understanding, I'll go to depth. Depending on your understanding, I'll not go too much depth, because whatever I talk is not to prove my knowledge, right? Is to share my knowledge. Correct or not?
Correct.
If it is to prove my knowledge, I will talk in such a way you don't even understand what I'm talking. I'll talk about SAP FICO only, but I'll make sure nobody understands what I'm talking, but everybody thinks he's very good. He knows so many things. I can talk at that level also, where you don't even understand, but I will never talk at that way. I'll talk in such a way as if I am one among you. Only
Yes.
then you will connect what I'm talking, right? If I'm
Yeah,
explaining, you're not understanding, there is no point of I'm talking, right?
correct. Exactly.
I'm exactly wasting my time. I'm wasting my energy. If I'm spending time on it, it should help you, not me. Because tomorrow, if you're able to understand, if you're able to work independently, if you feel confident, comfortable, that is what will give me happiness to me and then to you, right? That will give the result of my effort and then your effort. It should be the other way. It should be in that way. And similarly, we will take the different examples. Everything will be same. Different possibilities we will take. Different kind of a possibilities that will happen in a project, and then we will do all the calculations, and then you will see what are the messages. If you get any error message and all, what messages are coming, how we need to understand the messages, and then you will work on the system. We will also do the calculations. This is all this, and before that we will work on the calculation. This is about in case if you're working in a project, you will be hearing or you would have heard something called in a support project, you will be having CR, right? Change request,
Yes. CS.
right? So what is the process in a generic way, at a very layman language? I will put everything here, so that going forward in the sessions, certain topic I will work like a CR. We will do the basic setup, and then I'll create one transaction. I'll bring the error. Then I'll tell that, okay, this is the query that you are getting from the business. This is the additional requirement you got from the client. Then how will you do it? Then you will be understanding, okay, after go live, if you get any kind of a configuration changes, it is called as a CR. Now to work in a CR, this is the process. These are all universal process. You go to any company, any project, any country, you will see the same process. No deviations. You'll get to know what and all you need to attach, what and all you'll have to collect before you get it moved to production, and who will do it, what approvals you need. Different kind of audits will be there. You will have the IT audit, system audit, what is this, everything you will understand. Similarly, you will be understanding if you're talking about cost limits, right? You will be talking about how these are created, how cost center is created, how hierarchies are created, right? What are all the tables? If you're talking about FI, where you will display FI document, where you will display CO document, where you will see FI header, where you will see CO header, where you will see FI line item, where you will see CO line item, everything you will understand. This we are talking because we wanted to talk about internal order. Internal order is what? Again, point of controlling, right? Internal order is part of a CO, wherein we already completed, we already did some CO. But again, what we are doing, we are again recollecting every point, right, from GL account, cost element, cost center, and all, so that anyway you will forget, you feel confused with internal order. No, right? We will recap in the session. We'll spend some time and then we will recap so that your mind is refreshed with this data. You feel that, yes, I know this. Tomorrow, when we talk about internal order, you will easily work on it. For everything, you will get assignment. Here, what is the assignment that I've given?
Differences between cost center and internal order.
Difference between cost center and internal order. Is it interview question or not?
Yeah.
People will ask this in interview, and there we were talking about P&L balance sheet, where you create it, how you create it, and then different kind of things. And we worked on it, but we already created. We have seen P&L, we have seen the result, how profit is coming, how loss is coming, how to validate, verify whether this number is right or wrong. Different ways, different table, different approaches, reports, and all we have seen. But anything on the screen, on Excel sheet?
No, there is no screenshots.
Nothing. But everybody will be able to create financial statement version. They'll bring, you give any company code to anyone, everybody will set up FSV, everybody will bring the result, everybody will explain you from your company code what is the profit, how the profit arrived. Everybody will tell you. No screenshot. If you look at, you will not find screenshots anywhere. You will only find the concept. These are all year-end activities. List of year-end activities which are prepared by the members. None of the activity is what I have given. Now you have ECC to S4 HANA changes. Look at the changes. None of the change you will get from the Google. This is not the Google content. Everything is practical. You talk these things tomorrow in any interview, see who will reject you. You tell these things to anyone, see which real-time FICO consultant will tell this is wrong. In fact, when you talk, real-time FICO consultant also will get to know certain new things, right?
Yeah, definitely. Based
Yeah,
on that.
at that level, you will be talking. If you look at it, these are all the month-end activities. Look at the number of activities that you have. Yes, no?
Yes.
Like this, you will have. We will be talking about ticketing tools, SLAs, change requests, service requests, instant, OSS note, approval metrics, escalation metrics, TR movement, TR freezing, right? Different things you will be getting to know. Something related to taxation. Right? Wherein certain things we will talk, certain things I'll keep it blank for you to work on it. If I write everything, I'm gaining knowledge, but I should ensure you will gain knowledge, right? That is the main motto, right or wrong?
Yeah, right.
If I put everything
True.
here, you do nothing other than reading. Reading will not give you the knowledge. If that is the case, you would have done free of cost, right? You should know what you need to understand, and every effort that you put should be directly a helpful point in your project. Yeah, this is, now I'm scrolling up a lot. Do you find anywhere? Now, this is something your sales tax, purchase tax, accounting entries in case of invoice, in case of a credit memo, customer, in case of invoice, in case of credit memo, where and all you will be posting invoices. If I said these are the places tax is applicable, AP side, AR side, and then MM side, SD side. Beyond this, nowhere tax will come. Only here tax will come. Tomorrow, what if somebody is asking where exactly tax is calculated, in which T code tax is applicable. Having said about taxation, you cannot go blank here, right?
Yeah.
Meaning every point you will go to a detailed level in such a way that it is required. Wherever it is required, only there I'll put screenshot. This is again for your assignment purpose, because during the assignment you should not get confused, right? There are
Yes.
certain confusing points, only there I will put screenshot, otherwise you'll not see the screenshot. This is screenshot is only to ensure you are validating yes, what I did is correct. After that you will come to this screenshot, okay, this is how it should come. You will verify, okay, my screenshot is also same, and then you will write the example. What is this example? You purchased a leather sofa set for CEO cabin from Bantia Furniture, because we were executing a cycle, a scenario for furniture. So you created a furniture. Leather sofa set is a furniture or not? For CEO, you buy normal fabric one or leather one?
Leather.
Sofa set. That's why we bought leather. Furniture meaning where you will buy, not from anyone, right? You will be buying from a furniture. Bantia Furniture known to everyone. You would have seen everywhere, right? You can take any vendor, but which must be a furniture vendor. Meaning, as you progress, you'll have to bring every scenario as crystal clear business case. If you are working in your project, and if you are the owner, you need to purchase a sofa set. Where you will buy? Reliance Digital? No, right? Online you will place the order? No, right? At that level, you'll have to do it, and then you need to do the calculations. So what and all you'll have to do, how you'll have to do, everything we will understand in such a way that tomorrow, depending on the company code, no matter which country, you will be able to map this will be the solution. This is how you do it. Here we talk about solutions, not the configurations. Based on this, you will configure in any requirement. Every point we will write crystal clearly, and then accordingly you will move. This is a checklist for your company code before you practice asset accounting. Meaning your company code must qualify this for you to practice asset accounting. Just like that, you cannot, wake up one fine day, okay, today I'll focus on asset accounting. I think in interview, in a project, asset accounting is very important. This shouldn't be the case. You wake up tomorrow, do it, right? You should know to do this, what and all required,
Yeah.
Prerequisites.
right? At that level, you will have the clarity on every topic. Only then you'll go to a new topic. Nothing is straightforward. Everything is interlinked, interconnected, and accordingly you will do it. And before you do it, there are so many points which we will put. Okay, and then we will calculate figures and all we will do it. See this. What are the special GL, customer special GL, vendor special GL, everything as a comparison next to next,
Yeah.
so that you will understand. Tomorrow, if somebody is telling why this is asset, why this is liability, you will be able to tell in a clear way. Why like this? Because vendor is liability, vendor advance is asset, right?
Yes.
And customer is asset, customer advance is liability. But why we create both at the same time is what you'll understand here. And the same understanding, when you go to financial statement, you will implement practically in the system. Down below, you have seen P&L balance sheet, right?
Yes.
Financial statement there, I'll make you implement practically from your side. I'll explain the requirement, which I already talked here. Same thing, I'll scroll up, I'll revise the point again. You'll connect, okay, what we discussed, and then I'll give the assignment. You will work on it. You say that, yes, I understood. So later on, you don't need to practice everything. You will understand everything in your mind. Yes, I know what is what. This is your TDS. Before we configure, we will write accounting entries. We will understand the process. Because tomorrow in every interview, people wants you to tell the accounting entries, right?
Yeah.
How the entry will come, how system will post. Same thing we will do it. Only then we will do the config. We already did a TDS. Anywhere you find at least a single screenshot?
No, nowhere.
Nowhere. Apart from this Excel, I don't share anything from my side. If you look at it, you'll be able to know what is all this kind of thing. Where is the impact? Where is no impact? Right? This is about
Yeah.
what? Foreign currency valuation. Somewhere down you have seen, here also you're seeing, meaning here we just talked about basic overview about financial foreign currency valuation. And then down below, maybe after a few days, we will go to the same topic again, so that by that time, everybody would have referred these points, right?
Yes.
I cannot expect today you read it, right? You have so many commitments. So I'll give you sufficient time to go through it, understand, and then I'll take you to the screen wherein you feel connected. There again, it's all repeated. At that level, with that clarity, you will learn. It's not that for the purpose of completing a training, it is not for the purpose of your configuration, it is to ensure you get clear conceptual knowledge, understanding in such a way that right from day one, you are in a position to work in a project. Right? Even you take the example, it will be clearly like this. You are purchasing something from a Singapore vendor. This is the amount, this is the date, and you make the payment on this much, on this date. And we will be understanding the exchange rate, which T code is used here, which table you need to know to work on this. Something like this you will be working. And when you talk about BRS, this is what we do. This is the bank statement, MT940 statement. You put so many colors to it.
Yeah.
Every color has got a meaning here. Every color has got a meaning. So that you will get to know what is each color referring and how you need to read, understand bank statement. You don't need any other thing. If you look at it, you will understand. But if I share this Excel sheet, you will not understand anything from it. Correct or not?
Yeah. Correct.
Because it is not just something that you can read and then learn. It is something that you'll have to understand in a logical, in a conceptual way. Meaning, okay, I'll sit 1 week, I'll do it. Doesn't work out with me. You'll have to sit and you'll have to practice along with me. Only then you'll get it. Because we will be focusing on the concept, not on the config. Config, as I told, you can do it on your own, right?
Yes.
Right? This is how you will do it. Clear?
Yeah. Clear,
We
sir. It's
talked
very
about
different. Yeah.
COPA. On November 6th, we talked about COPA. And we have not yet done ST integration, because when you do ST integration, from ST integration data will go to COPA, right?
Yeah.
Now people are already aware of COPA. When I talk about ST integration, what will happen in ST integration, I will tell first, so that everybody will remember COPA. And then when we do ST integration, everybody understands COPA. Tomorrow when somebody is asking in your interview, or when you're working in a project, you know, after my sales integration, data will go to COPA, right? What we will do, COPA, everything you would have already understood. And then you interlink in such a way that you talk crystal clear to anyone. In any project, you will understand requirement in such a way that yes, this is the first point, this is the end point, this is the process in between. You don't need anyone to tell. You don't even need KT sessions. You will be happy to work independently. This is something again, product costing. Again, it started talking down, right? And then we were also talking about credit management, credit limits and all, ST integrations and all, order related billing, delivery related billing, service item, material item, where we have not even talked about FIST integration. But this is about OTC cycle. An example we took, we started writing every point here, where you will get cost, where you will get price, everything you will have a clarity. Because price minus cost is the profit, right?
Yes.
And this is without sales order, this with sales order. What is the flow of sale? This is ST integration. And similarly, side. What are the table? What are the T code? What accounting entries will come? GRIR clearing. What is GRIR clearing? What will happen? Including the number. These numbers are again strictly coming from the example, whatever we take. Everything is interconnected. If I'm talking about P2P cycle, I would have not come to P2P cycle directly. I will come from normal FI. You would have all done FI, right? F-43 and all, from where we will come. And then I'll connect it with to your purchase order. We will talk how exactly purchases will happen in a company. And then we will put every point. In such a way, you will understand accounting entries, everything. What do you mean by three-way matching? Everything we will discuss. T code table, everything we will write. And then when we start working on it, now nobody did config of it. We have not done the configs of it. But you see, there is a lot about it. Correct or not? If you read this, you can clear your interviews.
Yes.
We have not even done the practice of it, which we are going to do now. We just started discussing about manufacturing thing so that you understand what is material management, why we are talking about material and all. If you simply purchase the material, what will you do with? You need to know, right? When you understand we are purchasing material for the purpose of manufacturing different other related things, then only you start connecting with the practical environment. Like this, you will be working or we will be working on everything. You will see the accounting entries. Down below you have seen BRS. But before I go to BRS, I would have explained different points, accounting entries here.
Yeah.
Beyond this, there is no other accounting entry. This is what? This is for expenses, this is for income, different cases. And similarly, where you will get it. Right? And how you need to map, what key points you'll have to understand here. Similarly, if you go, the assignments that you will get. So this is for what? This is all bank statement, incoming, customer, vendor. Okay, this is about BRS. Or again, the prerequisites, what and all should be there. And if you come down, if you look at the assignment is clearly talking about you'll have to create 3 bank accounts. 3 bank accounts in 3 different currencies. Right? To use Singapore, you need a customer or vendor in Singapore. Not just you create a bank, you do a config, you say that it's all done. Not like that. If you're working in a project, your project has got so many company code, your client will have banks in different countries, different currencies. Right or wrong?
Yeah, right.
How you will do it is what you practice here. You can clearly look at the assignment, right?
Yes.
That's how they do it. They have to do exactly the same. Looking at this as a reference, they'll have to do it. Meaning this is my requirement. If I get it out, I open anyone's company code, I will check. What is your company code? You will tell ABCD. I'll go to ABCD, check whether you created same or not, as per my requirement or not. Suddenly, I might verify anyone's company code. So no way you can say that I did without doing, but it's a loss to you, right? Not to me.
Definitely.
Because later on, if you scroll up, you refer the recording, you will not understand anything. Only if you are with me, you will understand. If you are not with me, you will not understand. That is the reason many people ask me that we will pay amount, please share the recording. I will not sell my recording to anyone. Now, after looking at it, will you be able to understand with offline recordings? If I share the Excel sheet and all, you will not. Unless and until you are in my live sessions, you will not understand. Because is there any sequence flow here? I don't follow the sequence. I create the sequence flow in such a way that you interlink, interconnect in such a way tomorrow. This is something like when you eat something, they say that this is my chef secret recipe, secret masala, homemade masala. It is like this, secret masala. I'll feel you the
Got it.
taste, but I'll not But tomorrow, if you tell the same thing, everybody is your competitor, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Yes, if you are with me and you are going to the market, I want you to make sure you stay strong and then you get the job without any issues, without any problem, because you are paying money to me to get the right valid content, right?
Yeah, definitely.
That is why all these things I don't put it in YouTube. I stopped putting these things in YouTube because I wanted to make sure whatever you are learning, understanding should be unique to you because it's your paid content, right? If I put all these things in YouTube, everybody will refer it, everybody will gain the knowledge, but I'm indirectly increasing your competitors.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah? So if you're learning and when you talk to somebody, I want to ensure you are unique in the market. People feel the way you talk, everybody will see that yes, this is the right candidate that I'm looking for. Having seen the current competition level in the market, you should have different level of knowledge on the subject, correct or not?
Yeah, that's true.
That having seen the different competition in the market, the different level of skill set understanding is required, and to achieve that, we'll have to put our effort in a completely different way. Straightforward effort. Okay, this is the config, this is the content. Let me refer it. Nothing will happen with that. Probably you will complete the course, but you will not get the job. Completing a course is different. Completing a course which allows you to get a job, clear the interview is different. So there is a huge difference. And to achieve that, you'll have to put the effort. If it is so simple, so easy, as you know, everybody must be a FICO consultant, right?
Yeah.
In front of every SAP FICO training, you would have seen no admissions, admissions closed. Go to any SAP FICO training, you would have seen that no admissions are closed. Try
Yeah.
next batch. Is that
Yeah.
happening? If that is not happening, meaning you'll have to understand, right?
Yeah.
Your blind decision doesn't work here. It has to be a calculative move. And it has to be a very careful and it has to be a very thoughtful move so that you will not struggle tomorrow. Otherwise, it will be a loss for you, right? Not for me.
Yeah, certainly.
Because directly or indirectly, if I don't teach you properly, am I playing with your career or not?
Yes.
Right? If I don't teach you properly, if I don't give you the right knowledge, straightforward, I'm playing with your career, right? I know well in advance that you don't get job. Meaning, I spoil your career, right? I spoil your dream, your desire to become a consultant, which I have no right, right? Do I have any right to do that? Do I have any right to spoil your career?
No.
If possible, I have to give you the right content, right knowledge. Otherwise, I should not misguide you. I should not give you wrong data, right? Fake information, false information shouldn't be given. Whatever I give is genuine. That's where I tell go verify right from day one with anyone, whatever you are learning from me. Straight away, you can verify right from day one. If you feel that I told you something which is not correct, which is fake, false information in a live recorded session, you can question me. I don't mind. I'll not tell you to ask me question after I stop the recording. I'll tell you to ask a question in the recording. Every doubt, every question will be part of every recording. Not that I'll stop the recording once my part is over, then I tell, okay, now you ask. No, nothing to it. I'll let everybody talk. I'll let everybody put their question, doubt in the live recorded session. It will be so transparent, not that I will hide things, nothing like that. The only point that you will feel is I'm not reachable every time. That is only drawback. Unfortunately, I am also helpless in it unless I appoint somebody and all. Because the problem is, even if I say that, okay, after you joining the session, if I say that, okay, due to different reasons, I'm not taking, this person will take the sessions. Will you be happy?
No.
All right. If I say that
No.
after you joining the classes, if I say that, okay, I'll guide on weekends and all, but every day
Somebody.
configurations will be explained by somebody else, but I will make sure I will be there. Will you be happy?
No.
No.
No, sir.
That's the problem. After you listen from me, And if I tell that, okay, this person will tell you and all, will you listen? You will not even join the session, right?
This happens and we feel disconnected. I mean, most of the time.
Yeah. So that's why I don't do anything. Anybody who messaged, it's me who reply to each and every of your message. Because practically, I get so many messages. I cannot tell you. My mobile
Yeah,
is always in silence because
even
I
I
have
texted.
so many messages I get. Practically not possible for me to respond to each and every message. It's literally practically not possible. That is why in the session I address most of the queries, questions, doubts, issues, and all. Later on, when I get free time, I'll respond. But when I'm free,
Sir,
also I don't respond to the messages where they say that hi sir. You will message hi sir today. For sure, I'm not able to reply immediately, right? It's very rare that you will get my instant reply. It's very rare. When I'm free like that, only then I'll reply. Otherwise, when you put hi today, now if you put hi at 8:30, I may reply hello at 10 o'clock. And you will say, how are you, sir, at 1 o'clock? I will tell I am fine. What about you in the evening? These messages I don't do it. I will tell whatever message you wanted to put, please put full your message. If possible, do a voice recording. Easy for me to listen to it. For all the voice messages whoever sent, I will pakka respond to it because I know what is the query, right?
yeah. And one more thing, sir. I mean, before going to the live, overview sessions, so can we have an interaction session with everyone? Because see, most of the people are already in working professional, and few people are in FI consultant, and few people are end user. So how it will be fit to change the profile and few things we have questions.
For all the questions, we will have the time from Monday. From
Sure.
Monday, 3 days, I'll give time only for your doubts, questions, and all, which I don't record because you may be asking doubts, questions from your personal confidential
Yeah.
details also, right? You may be revealing your
Yeah.
company names and all, so which I don't
Yes.
record. In any batch overview sessions, these Q&As I don't record only to respect your privacy. Otherwise, I
Sure.
can record and then put it in YouTube, right? Which I don't do it. Even you would have
Yeah.
noticed, I will never put any message stating this person got the job, that person got job. Have you ever seen from my side?
No, no,
No,
sir.
no.
No, sir.
No,
I'll
sir.
not even inform in the group that this person got the job. I'll respect. If they want to share, they will share it. I don't want to take your success as my promotion. I don't
But
want it.
sir, after this course, is there any need of global certification? How it work? I mean,
Certification not required because certification is all about dumps now. You know the dumps, right? Certification contains 80 questions. In the market, 80 questions with 80 answers are ready for sale for 2000 rupee, 1500 rupee, 3000 rupee. Some even will circulate for all the common modules are rotating freely in the market. Read it today night, tomorrow morning you're certified. It's an open
so
copy.
the global certification will not make enough difference,
No, no,
right?
no. After getting a job, your company will sponsor you. Do it for free of cost. Why you want to pay money and then do it? If you want to pay money, and you'll have to go through different channels because directly you cannot do the certification. To do the certification, you need a learning hub access. This will again cost you some huge amount, right?
Okay.
Otherwise, you'll have to go through some different people are there who will create the slot for you from on behalf of some other company. Something like that, they do it. Meaning it's a completely different thing, not required. I don't recommend.
Yes.
Yes,
Thank you
sir.
again.
Sorry to interrupt, sir. Dinesh this side.
Yeah, yes, Dinesh.
Sir, yeah, sir. Right now, also my company offering this sponsorship to do the certifications. But like right now, I'm not that confident enough to attend.
No
Like,
need of any confidence. That's what I'm telling you. If you want to do certification,
yes, sir.
you decide which certification you want to do. Let's say you want to do FI related certification,
Mm-hmm.
2023 edition, private cloud.
Mm-hmm.
You will get the certification code. For that certification code, you will get the dumps. Meaning, whatever
Okay.
questions, it's all about multiple choice questions. You're aware of it, right?
Yes, sir.
These multiple choice questions with the correct answers, you will get a PDF. You spend 2 to 3 hours, you will understand what is the question, what is the answer. Either you
Yes, sir.
prepare the question or you by heart the answer. Anything.
Yes, sir.
The way you feel comfortable. Next day you write the exam, 100% you will pass.
So questions doesn't
After
change, sir?
hmm?
Questions doesn't change for it.
No, no, no.
Okay.
Pakka you will pass. Those who will give you the certification dump, they will give you with 100% guarantee. They say that after reading this dump, if you fail, I will refund your money. That clarity, that much guarantee they'll give. Even after the same question, same answer dump, you failed, meaning something we have to think about our knowledge, right?
Yes, sir.
At that level, nobody will fail. So that is why everybody will pass the certification. Now the certification is valid only for 1 year. Earlier it was
Yes.
lifetime validity, but now it's valid only for 1 year.
My manager also told the same. Ki, his level is manager, but he doesn't have any certification right now, global certification. And like
Hmm.
I asked him, should I take it? He said, ki if it is only valid for 1 year. If you'll do it also, you have to renew it every year.
Correct.
And yeah, so
You
I'm
can
right
do
now.
it because as long as it is a company sponsorship, you don't need to pay from your pocket. You can do it.
Yes,
It's a
yes,
value addition. So tomorrow, when you
yes,
put your resume, on the resume, you can add SAP certified associate. You can put
yes, yes,
that image is there, right? You can put that image on your resume. You can mention that SAP certified, SAP global certified FICO consultant. You can put it. Proudly, you can put it.
and sir, some other things also I want to say, but it would be confidential, I guess. So
We
I'll
will
tell you
talk
on the
these
Monday.
things on Monday. From Monday, we will be having sessions to address your
Yeah.
queries, doubts, confusions, whatever you have. You can freely ask. I don't record those sessions from Monday. And Monday, I think this would be the end of your overview sessions. Monday
Yes,
onward, 3 days, I'll give you the dedicated time to put any questions that you have with respect to subject or your career, FICO, whatever. I'll address all your questions, and then probably from Thursday or so, we will be having the sessions.
from Thursday.
This weekend, next weekend, we will start our first sessions so that those who are made up your mind to join the sessions, you can approach me. I'll tell how you'll have to make the payment so that I'll be start adding you in the group, because for the regular classes
Definitely,
there
sir.
will be different batch. Those who make the payment, I will be adding them to that particular batch, and then the regular sessions link will only be shared with them. Only they can attend the session. You don't get the link and you cannot attend the session also for regular sessions unless and until you enroll by making payment. Payment is possible to make in 2 installments.
Got it, sir.
Okay. All right.
Yes, sir.
Fine then. Yeah. Let me
And sir,
stop this recording.
last one more question. Just 1 minute, I'll take. So, like, I'll not tell the company, but right now I'm in a company into a support project, and like I've been following your videos since like 6 months or 7 months after I got into this role, and it was like 0 to 2 years of experience. So I was just preparing the interview questions and the small configuration that I understood from my friends' recorded classes. And
Mhm.
right now I'm struggling in that role to like survive. Like users are coming with different questions, like, and I find it interesting to resolve it also. But the thing is, I have gone through some of your batches sample videos, and it is very good and very depth. And like I have seen so many videos of tutors, but I found it very interesting and understandable from your classes. But the thing is, sir, if it will take so much time, so is it the batch that should I fit into, or should
No,
I?
no. What will happen?
Yes, sir.
Uh, Majority people who come to me are already working consultants. Most of
Yes,
the
yes,
people with me are already working FICO consultants, or are the people who already completed their courses somewhere else.
definitely, sir.
First time learners with me is hardly 20%, not even 20%, maximum 20%.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what I do, once you make the full payment, I will give you one previous batch recording
Yes, 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 sir.
so that you can refer it.
Exactly, sir. That only I wanted to know.
That
Thank you
will
so much,
that
sir.
will be there. From your learning point of view, I will not stop anywhere,
Yes,
because in
yes,
this
sir.
process, I
Suddenly, if
will
it,
only
yes,
uh, I'll only get lost. In the sense,
yes,
there
sir.
are people who misuse it.
Yes, yes, sir. Got
There
it, sir.
are earlier I was giving server also for free of cost, but people, they do not know the
They-
value if they get it for free. They
Exactly.
started
Then
sharing with their friends and all. So I stopped giving
exactly.
free server access. I gave only paid server.
Sure, sir.
Okay, but I don't
Yes.
consider the people who misuse it. See, when you're stealing the knowledge, it won't come to you. There's no point, because if somebody is
So
giving piracy videos to you, if you're learning it, it's about your honesty to gain the knowledge, right?
Yes, yes, sir.
So if you are so honest in gaining the knowledge, there only your honesty is revealed, right? How honest you are to learn the knowledge. You will not get it, no matter what effort you put. You'll not get it because you're not going in the right way, right? You're stealing the
Yes.
Yeah,
knowledge.
Ajay, I also have one question. Like, because I got the previous batch videos because I paid the fee and everything.
Hmm.
So, as you know, I don't have any accounting background and I never worked in SAP before. But there are a few openings in my company, and I'm going through your videos. Do you think after 30 days videos, like just the I will be able to at least answer 50% of the questions? Like, I'm sure I
Yes.
know that I will not be
In
able
that
to.
case, if you're able to spend some time to, cover few videos on a daily basis, then you can join the batch number 10. That would suit more. That's where we just started
No,
the
no.
configuration and all.
I want to continue with the with this batch only because
Then you
this
can,
because it's
as you told, you can refer those initial recording. You would be able to manage.
okay because I okay. Anyways, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Ajay, I think one last
No.
question. This is about payment and regular classes. You said that regular classes will be continued from Monday onwards, right? The payment
Not
will.
Monday.
Uh,
Not Monday. Like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we will be having doubts clarifications. Like you may be having queries before joining, right?
yes.
So I don't want you to blindly make the payment, blindly join. Whatever doubt, confusion, question you have, ask me. Let it be whatever.
Okay. Okay.
I'll answer your questions, queries. Only
Hello.
after that, I will start the regular sessions.
and the
Monday,
server
Tuesday,
price
Wednesday,
Hello,
will be
Ajay.
I will explain in the regular sessions.
Thank you. Thank you, Ajay.
Hello. Can you hear me, Ajay?
Yeah, yeah. Go ahead.
Hello.
Yes, yes.
I'm Rachna from Mumbai. Actually, I contacted you. Actually, I'm working. So, probably you know our traveling issues since
Right,
I
right.
used to travel, yeah, morning 7 and I come back at 8 o'clock.
Hmm.
Then, because I'm very interested to join your session, so how it would be possible if
So what you do is, since the timing is a
uh,
conflict for you, it's
hmm,
fine even if you're not. You can join the session from your mobile if time permits and all. You can use your earbud or earphone. You don't have to
no,
look at the
Ajay,
screen. You can listen to it.
because in local it's very
Yeah,
difficult
yeah. I
to
know, I know, I
catch the
know. You will be
mobiles.
automatically onboarded. You will be automatically offboarded. Yes, I've
Yeah, yeah.
experienced when I was working in Mumbai in 2014.
Okay.
So I was there in Mumbai for approximately 7 to 8 months. So working for a client.
Okay.
So I
Where
experienced
in
it.
Mumbai?
Lower Parel. I used to stay
Lower
in Marol
Parel.
Naka,
Okay.
but yeah, I was working in Lower Parel.
Okay, okay.
So I used to take metro from Marol Naka to Ghatkopar, and then from there I used to
Ghatkopar.
take local train to Curry Road,
Hmm.
and from there I used to go by walk or sometimes go by this autos. But even for auto, we have to stand in
Hmm.
queue there, right? I don't know how now, but
Yes, yes,
after
yes.
that I never came to Mumbai.
Acha.
After that I was there in. I've been to approximately 23, 24 countries so far in my projects, in my assignments and all.
You've been to
Oh,
Canada?
good.
No, no, not Canada, US, but
Oh,
I've been to different 23 to 24
okay, okay,
countries so
okay,
far. Yeah.
okay, okay,
So
okay.
Monday, at what time you are going to
Same time.
give this
Monday,
session?
Tuesday,
Same.
Wednesday, it will be the same time. Just that it won't be recorded. You don't get the recording because people will be asking different questions there, confidential information, personal
Mm-hmm.
information as well, right? So I don't record, I don't put it anywhere. So there won't be recording at all. It's just that you can
So Monday
freely
morning
ask your
only.
questions. Monday morning.
Monday. Okay.
Monday morning.
If you make it Monday 7 o'clock in the evening also,
No,
then
7 o'clock in the evening, I have another session, and night 9 o'clock, I'll have another session.
oh,
Ajay,
is it possible to join at 9 o'clock
9
for
o'clock
me?
batch, what you do is you join this batch, refer the recording on a daily basis. Let's say today's session is over. After a few hours, it will be in the
Okay.
drive. You will get the access. Same day, once you reach home
Okay.
in the evening, peacefully listen
Hmm.
to the recording. Probably by February, I'll start the 9 o'clock batch. I will allow you to join that batch again.
Okay, fine, fine.
Okay, so that whatever you learn here, it's your learning only,
Hmm.
nothing a loss for you.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, but if you're sure, you
Yes.
can do it.
Okay.
Otherwise, you can wait until that
Yes,
one. But
I'm
those who join, I don't do any injustice to any of you. I'll make sure you gain the knowledge. That's the reason I'm here, and that's the reason you're here. Okay,
hmm.
all right, fine then. I think I'm
Okay.
getting late.
Ajay,
Okay.
last query, one thing.
Hmm.
Classes are provided in Drive Access, right? Instead of that,
Yeah,
you can use some platforms like Rio Player or Content Browser where the class will be coded and there won't be any leakage, right?
yeah, I'm working on these things now.
Yeah,
You can
I
put those. You can put those as a text to me. I'll respond to you.
sure, sure. Thank you.
Even I'm working on those things now to switch the platform from Google Drive to some other thing.
Yes, that will be great. There won't be any
Yeah,
leakage in such situations.
right. Okay. All right. Thank you.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Fine then.
Thank you
Yeah.
so much, sir. Thank you.
All right. Bye.
Thank you. Thank you.